Hi everyone, I want to introduce you guys to my friend Hiccup. He's a little mongoose. He's part of the meerkat family. Hiccup! Come on, Hiccup! Hiccup! Come on! Hello, boy. Come on. Hello. Come on. Come on. No, you gotta come here. Come on, Hiccup. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Such a cutie. You're fatty. See you around, kiddo.